Hi there, homeowners. Tired of dealing with the woes of hard water? You know, the crusty faucets, the dry skin, the dingy laundry? Well, I'm here to tell you there's a solution. Water softeners. Think of a water softener as a superhero for your home's plumbing. It battles the hidden villain, hard water, leaving you with cleaner dishes, brighter clothes, and softer skin. In this guide, we'll explore everything you need to know about water softeners, from how they work to how to choose the right one for your family's needs. Get ready to say goodbye to hard water headaches and hello to the joys of soft water. Let's dive in. So what exactly is hard water, and why should you care? In simple terms, hard water contains high levels of dissolved minerals, primarily calcium and magnesium. These minerals are picked up as water travels through the ground and into our homes. While not harmful to our health, hard water can wreak havoc on our homes. Ever notice a white, chalky residue on your faucets and shower heads? That's mineral buildup caused by hard water. This buildup can clog pipes, reduce water flow, and even shorten the lifespan of appliances like water heaters and dishwashers. Hard water can also make it difficult to get dishes and clothes truly clean, leaving them feeling stiff and looking dull. Plus, it can dry out your skin and hair, making you feel itchy and uncomfortable. Not fun. Now let's talk about how water softeners work their magic. The most common type of water softener utilizes a process called ion exchange. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Imagine a tiny dance floor inside your water softener. This dance floor is a resin bed filled with negatively charged beads.
These beads attract the positively charged calcium and magnesium ions in hard water. As hard water passes through the resin bed, the mineral ions latch onto the beads, exchanging places with sodium ions that are already attached. This ion exchange process effectively removes the hardness minerals from your water, leaving you with softened water. Pretty neat, right?
When it comes to water softeners, you have a few different types to choose from, each with its pros and cons. Let's break them down in detail so you can make an informed decision for your home and family. Salt-based softeners. These are the most common and effective type of water softener. They work by using salt to regenerate the resin bed, which is essential for removing hardness minerals from your water supply. The resin bed traps hardness minerals like calcium and magnesium, and the salt helps to flush these minerals away during the regeneration process. This ensures that your water remains soft and free from scale buildup. While highly effective, salt-based softeners do require regular salt refills and produce a small amount of wastewater. This maintenance can be a minor inconvenience, but the benefits of having consistently soft water often outweigh these drawbacks. Salt-free softeners. These systems, also known as water conditioners, don't actually remove minerals from the water. Instead, they use various methods to alter the structure of the minerals, preventing them from adhering to surfaces and causing buildup. This means that while the minerals are still present in the water, they are less likely to cause issues like scale buildup in pipes and appliances. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to reduce maintenance on their plumbing systems. While a good option for those on salt-restricted diets, salt-free softeners may not be as effective as their salt-based counterparts in areas with extremely hard water. However, they do offer a maintenance-free solution that doesn't require regular salt refills. Dual-tank softeners. These systems utilize two resin tanks, allowing for continuous soft water even during regeneration. This is particularly useful for larger households or homes with high water usage, as it ensures that you never run out of soft water. With a dual-tank system, one tank can be in use while the other regenerates, providing a seamless supply of soft water. This makes it an excellent choice for families who need a reliable and constant source of soft water for daily activities like washing dishes, doing laundry, and taking showers. In summary, choosing the right water softener depends on your specific needs and circumstances. Salt-based softeners are highly effective but require regular maintenance. Salt-free softeners offer a low-maintenance alternative but may not be as effective in very hard water areas. Dual-tank systems provide a continuous supply of soft water, making them ideal for larger households. Consider your water usage, maintenance preferences, and any dietary restrictions when making your decision. By understanding the differences between these types of water softeners, you can choose the best system for your home, ensuring that you and your family enjoy the benefits of soft water every day. Section 5. The perks of soft water. From sparkling dishes to longer-lasting appliances, soft water can transform your daily chores and enhance the longevity of your household items. Now that you know how water softeners work, let's talk about the amazing benefits they can bring to your home and life. Imagine a home where everything feels cleaner, fresher, and more efficient.
Sparkling clean dishes and laundry. With soft water, your dishes come out of the dishwasher gleaming, and your laundry feels softer and looks brighter. Say goodbye to water spots and soap scum. No more frustrating spots on your glasses or stubborn soap scum on your shower doors. Soft water helps soap lather better, resulting in cleaner dishes, brighter clothes, and softer fabrics. Your detergents and soaps work more effectively, making your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient.
Longer-lasting appliances. Soft water can significantly reduce the wear and tear on your appliances. By preventing mineral buildup, soft water can extend the lifespan of your water heater, dishwasher, washing machine, and other appliances that use water. This means fewer repairs and replacements, saving you money in the long run.
Healthier skin and hair. Soft water is not just good for your home, it's great for you too. Soft water is gentler on your skin and hair, reducing dryness, flakiness, and irritation. Enjoy smoother skin and shinier, more manageable hair. You may even find that you need less soap and shampoo. This not only saves you money but also reduces the amount of chemicals that go down the drain.
Reduce cleaning time and effort. With less mineral buildup, cleaning your home becomes a breeze. Surfaces stay cleaner for longer and you spend less time scrubbing. You'll spend less time scrubbing away hard water stains and more time enjoying your clean and sparkling home. Imagine the joy of a home that not only looks clean but feels clean, with every surface shining and every appliance running smoothly. Section 6. Installation and upkeep. Keeping your softener running smoothly. Installing a water softener typically involves connecting it to your main water supply line. While it's a job that a handy homeowner can tackle, it's generally recommended to hire a licensed plumber for professional installation.
Once your softener is installed, regular maintenance is key to keeping it running smoothly. This includes adding salt. Salt-based softeners require regular salt refills, typically every few weeks to a couple of months, depending on water usage and hardness.
Checking salt level. It's a good idea to check the salt level in your softener every week or two and add more as needed.
Regular inspections. Have your water softener professionally inspected every few years to ensure everything is working correctly and to identify any potential issues early on.
Section 7. Choosing the right softener for your home. Factors to consider. With so many different water softeners on the market, choosing the right one for your home can feel overwhelming. The sheer variety of options, each with its own set of features and benefits, can make the decision-making process quite daunting. However, by breaking down the selection process into manageable factors, you can make an informed choice that best suits your needs. Here are a few key factors to consider. These factors will help you narrow down your options and find the perfect water softener for your home.
Household size. The size of your household and your water usage will determine the size and capacity of the softener you need. For instance, a larger family with multiple bathrooms and high water usage will require a more robust system compared to a smaller household. It's essential to assess your daily water consumption to ensure the softener can handle your needs without frequent regeneration cycles.
Water hardness. The hardness of your water will impact the type and size of softener you need. Hard water contains high levels of minerals like calcium and magnesium, which can cause scale buildup in your pipes and appliances. Knowing the hardness level of your water will help you choose a softener that effectively removes these minerals. You can purchase a home water hardness test kit or consult with a local water treatment professional to determine your water hardness level. These kits are easy to use and provide quick results, giving you a clear understanding of your water's mineral content. Alternatively, a professional assessment can offer more detailed insights and recommendations.
Budget. Water softeners range in price from a few $100s to several thousand, depending on the type, size, and features. It's important to set a realistic budget before you start shopping. Keep in mind that while a higher-priced model may offer more advanced features, a more affordable option might still meet your basic needs effectively. Determine your budget and look for a softener that offers the best value for your needs. Consider the long-term costs as well, such as maintenance, salt or potassium chloride refills, and potential repairs. A well-chosen softener can save you money in the long run by preventing damage to your plumbing and appliances.
Lifestyle. Consider your lifestyle and preferences when choosing a softener. Your daily routines and habits can influence the type of system that will work best for you. For example, if you have a busy household with high water usage, you'll need a system that can keep up with demand without compromising on performance. If you're on a salt-restricted diet, a salt-free softener might be a good option. These systems use alternative methods to reduce scale buildup without adding sodium to your water. They are also low maintenance and environmentally friendly, making them a popular choice for health-conscious and eco-friendly households. If you have a large family with high water demand, a dual-tank softener might be the way to go. Dual-tank systems ensure a continuous supply of soft water by alternating between two tanks, so you never run out of soft water even during peak usage times. This is particularly beneficial for large households or homes with multiple bathrooms. Section 8. Ready for softer water? Congratulations! You're now well versed in the world of water softeners. You understand the headaches of hard water, the science behind softening, and the many benefits of having soft water in your home. Remember, choosing the right water softener is an investment in your home, your appliances, and your family's well-being. By considering your specific needs and doing your research, you can find the perfect softener to enjoy the countless perks of soft water. If you have any questions or need help choosing the right system, don't hesitate to reach out to a local water treatment professional. They can provide expert advice and help you make an informed decision. So what are you waiting for? Take the plunge and say hello to softer water, softer life.